everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to enable or disable Google Meet tab. So for that, first of all, you open the Gmail application. Once you're at the Gmail app, you need to tap on the 3 hamburger icon at the top left corner. Tap on that. Now you need to scroll down till you see the setting option. You tap upon the setting. From the settings, select the Gmail account from which you want to disable the Google Meet tab. Tap upon that. In here, you need to scroll down to Meet category. There you can see the Meet category. Now here you need to uncheck the Show the Meet tab for video calling. That is the first option. Tap on that, and with that you will be disabling the Google Meet tab in your Gmail. Then again, if you want to enable the Google Meet tab, you do the same process. That is, tap on the hamburger icon on the top left. Scroll down to the settings, tap upon the setting icon. Then you tap upon the Gmail to which you want to enable the Google Meet tab if you have multiple accounts. Tap on the Gmail, then again scroll down to the Meet category, and you need to tap on the Show the Meet tab for video calling. With this, it will enable the Google Meet tab. So this is how you can enable or disable the Google Meet tab for Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.